Which coffee is best for intermittent fasting? Today I want to talk about which coffee to drink while you're intermittent fasting. And we have a few choices. Before we get into the details, let's talk a little bit about intermittent fasting. One option of intermittent fasting is a 16-8 pattern where you have 16 hours of fasting and then two meals within an 8-hour period. Another is one meal a day, where we have 23 hours of fasting and one meal in 1 hour. And this is the type of fasting that I tend to use most of the time, which is one meal a day. And then sometimes I switch to the 5-2 pattern, which is 5 days of OMAD and 2 days of 16-8. So as you can see with my other videos that I have put out there are different ways of doing intermittent fasting, and my goal is to provide you with finding the best ones and what to do during your intermittent fast. So what should I drink during my intermittent fast to maintain the water that I need to maintain the the solutions that my body needs so that we don't fall sick. So one is obviously drink plenty of water. You can drink bone broth, which is also good. It provides a lot of nutrients. And of course, we have coffee or tea. So we want to talk about coffee, and we can have coffee black, we can have it with milk, we can have it with half and half, and we can have it with heavy whipping cream. All of these have some pluses and minuses. Before we get into the details of that, let's just talk a little bit about the benefits of coffee. Coffee is very beneficial in that it can lower inflammation, it decreases your risk of diabetes, it may lower risk of heart disease and stroke. It reduces risk of depression. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. And it also lowers the risk of gallstones. So you can see that there are many benefits of coffee, and research has shown that all of these items that have been listed have been tested and researched, and we all know that drinking coffee has a lot of benefits. Obviously, it's drinking coffee in moderations, which is about 2 to 3 cups a day. So let's look at black coffee. If you have black coffee during intermittent fasting, and I have listed the ingredients here. So as you can see, all it has is water and coffee. And coffee, as you know, has many nutrients that are good for us. Also, if you drink caffeinated coffee, then you're going to get caffeine. If you drink decaffeinated coffee, then you can reduce the effects of caffeine on you, which might be a good idea. And I tend to drink mostly decaffeinated coffee so that I get the benefits of coffee, but I'm not getting the caffeine with in addition to all the coffee that I'm drinking. So black coffee, obviously, great thing to drink because you're not getting any other sugar, carbs. So none of that information, those nutrients are coming to you. The next option is coffee with milk, and again the ingredients are water, whole milk, and coffee. And if you take a 30 milliliter serving, which is basically 2 tablespoons, you can see that you're going to get 24 calories per serving, and you're getting about 1.8 grams of carbs, and you're getting 1.3 grams of fat. So you're getting some carbs with this, and that's not necessarily a good thing. So I would not look at putting whole milk in your coffee. The second is coffee with half and half. Now in here you're getting some more calories. Your carbs are down significantly to 1 gram, and you're also getting 3 grams of fat. So this is not a bad option because your carbs are less, but you're still getting some carbs and you're getting some calories with coffee and half. The third option is coffee with heavy whipping cream. And the same serving size, you're getting 100 calories, you're not getting any carbs, and you're getting 10 grams of fat. So one of the things is when you're doing OMAD, which is one meal a day, you want to make sure that you're getting enough calories, and you want to get those calories from fat. You don't want to get those calories from carbs, because carbs are going to stimulate your body to produce insulin, and that's precisely the thing that we're trying to avoid. At the same time, we don't want to be in a starvation situation where we are not providing the calories that the body needs, because we all know that starvation diets don't work, and you will just seesaw back into gaining the weight that you lost and not feel healthy again. So one of the good things of when you're on one meal a day on OMAD is to drink coffee with heavy whipping cream, because you're not getting any calories, and you're getting all your calories from fat, and you're not getting any carbs in there. So you're not getting any sugars, and you're not getting any carbs that would stimulate your body to produce insulin. So there it is. This is my choice for intermittent fasting: coffee with heavy whipping cream. Thank you.